Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be making a Lego butterfly knife. So yeah, follow the steps, and if you need to, you can pause. Yeah, so first you're going to need this, and then you're going to need two of those, like these ones. Here's one so you can count the holes. Then you're going to need this little one. Then you're gonna need 4 of these. 4. 1 of these. And 2 of these. Oops. So what you're gonna wanna do is put these into this. You should get something like that. Then you're gonna want to put another one on. Press it on hard so you get something like that. Then this right in the middle. And then you're gonna want to put the small one like that. Like that. No, my bad. I want to put this too, like this, and then put it on like so, and then like that. Put both of these on the other side, just like so. Okay. Now what you're gonna want is the design. The design. What you're gonna want is 4 of these, 2 of these, and yeah. So you're gonna get this and this. That's like a little double-sided. Yeah. So you're gonna wanna put it on just like that. And then you're gonna want to put, so there's only one left, like sticking up. Then you're gonna want to get another one, and onto here, gonna want to put it on evenly, just like so. And the same thing on the other side. So like this. Oops. This. And like, oh. Okay, still in one shape. And now it's time for the blade. So for the blade, you're gonna need a couple of these, only 2. You're gonna want 1 of these and 1 of these, like a little tube. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to grab 1 of these and this, put it on just like so, so there's 2 holes still there. Then you're gonna want to grab this, just like that, so you get that. Then on here, you want only these 3, leave this, these 3 on. Ooh. Just like so. And then you're gonna want to put the other one on like this, right? So now what you're gonna need is hold on. Oops. 8 of these. They're like the little, so you're gonna want 8. And you're gonna want 4 of these. They're 6x1, like these. you should want 2 different colors and 4. So like me, I have blue and gray. Blue and gray. So what you're gonna want to do is on this, on the bottom, put it on just like that and follow along like that. And then you're gonna want to make another one. Oh crap. Just like that and like that, just like that again. And then on the other 2, you're gonna want to put it at the top and at the end. And 2 times of that too. On the top and at the end. And you're gonna want to grab those. You see these? Like this one? So you're gonna wanna, just like so, plop it on like that. And then grab a gray one, or whatever other color you have, and you see how there's already those taken up? Yeah, so you're gonna wanna grab one like this, and snap it on. Just like so. And then you're gonna wanna grab one of these, and snap it on like that. And one of these, snap it on the other side. Oops. I keep dropping it. Like so. Okay, so like that, right? And now what you're gonna wanna do is grab 3 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. So you see this? What you're gonna wanna do is grab 2 of these, plop them on just like so, like that, and grab one, plop it on, grab another one, like so, grab this, put that on, and that, and boom, they're fully functional butterfly knife, Lego. Now, if you want, you can change it. Peace out.